Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, Cooking with KP. Today I'm going to show you how to make this really cool creamy tomato meatball pasta bake. Alright, it's a one tray type deal in the oven. Alright, one onion, cut the ends off, peel it, just slice your knife through like that. Take that peel straight off. Very, very simple, this dish indeed. Only takes a couple of ingredients. Slice that onion in half, like that. And all I'm simply going to do is cut almost all the way through in little slices like that, around about sort of 5 millimeters wide. Then you slice the opposite way, and before you know it, you've got this great diced onion. We don't need to make sure it's perfect. We're going to put that into a food processor like that, and we're going to now make up the rest of our little sauce. Good tablespoon, maybe two, of some mixed Italian herbs, freshly ground black pepper, of course. Once again, that goes straight in like that. We're going to add in a little bit of salt, a little bit of pink Himalayan salt. If you don't have that, don't worry, use what you've got. Put that in. Now I'm going to add in some garlic. I'm just going to use in around about the equivalent to 6 cloves of garlic with garlic paste. Give that a quick blitz through like that. 1 400-gram can of diced tomatoes, that goes straight in. Give that a quick blitz once again, and we've now made the basis of our sauce. How easy was that? A little bit of olive oil in the bottom of a baking pan like that. Now I'm just using some sausage. You can use whatever sausage you like. This makes a real quick, easy meatball. Just squeeze the meat out of the skin like I'm doing right there, and they've already got great flavor to them. Already pre-flavored and pre-processed for you. So all you need to do is that. I'm going to add in around about 400 grams of sliced mushrooms. I've just bought those from the supermarket. A little bit more pepper straight over the top like that. How easy is this so far? And really, this meal would cost you approximately $15 and will serve 4 people. Now put that homemade passata that we've just done, that little homemade tomato sauce, just ladle that over the top, or just pour that over the top just like that. And I'm going to add in a little bit of cream, around about half a cup. That'll do it. Okay, give that a quick little bit of a mix through like that. And we've got our oven already sitting around about 180 degrees Celsius, and all we need to do really is put that straight into the oven, and it is going to be done. Very, very simple. It's going to cook for around about 30 to 40 minutes, and before you know it, how does that look? We're going to take this off a little bit early. We're going to add our pasta. Now I did make a mistake, and I'm going to blame my MS for this. I was not thinking. I should have strained that pasta off, got rid of that pasta liquor. It doesn't really matter, it did evaporate off, and we ended up with a really nice sauce. I would normally just strain that pasta off and pour that over the top and mix it through. There you go, 35-40 minutes later ish. There you go, you've got this amazing little meatball pasta mushroom bake. Alright, I'd like to see you try and make little budget ideas like this at home. This was only filmed this on a whim. I wasn't really planning on it, and I thought it'd be pretty cool just to show you how I cook on the average night. A little bit of grated parmesan or pecorino cheese straight over the top, and there you go. Thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence. It should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. I'm trying to get the name KP's Kingdom out there. Hit that notifications bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up. More importantly, you want to learn how to cook something that I just come up with, well, something like this, well, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. Alright, I've already eaten this. I know it tastes great. It worked out great. Therefore I'm showing. And I will catch you next time. Bye!